Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you how to grow fastest growing methods of marigold. Many of people complain me that they buy plants from the nurseries this size of plant, maybe around 2 inch length or height, or in a pot of 2 inch pot, and they buy and they grow in transplant in 5 inch pot, and after 1 month they can find that the plants are not growing at all, so they complain a bit. So first thing I tell you, whenever you are growing this in 10 days only, the system I will be telling you, the some mixture I will be telling you, if you use them within 10 days you will find these kinds of plants, the rocket speed plants growth. And two to three things you have to keep in mind, that whenever you are potting, their potting soil mix should be not rich with compost. There should be around 80 to 90% garden soil and 10% compost in early days, and later when you transfer in 5 inch pot, there may be 80 20, 80 soil and 20, and there should be a huge sunlight, at least 5 to 6 hours sunlight is needed, and water it in a moderate quantity. I tell you how you can grow in a rocket speed growth of this plant. Usually what happens when you buy some plants from the nursery, if it is a 3 to 4 inch of height of plant, what you see that some birds have already appeared. You see some birds have already appeared. Whenever birds are coming, what happens, the plant's growth is totally arrested, and some new branches are stopped to create, and these kinds of flowers are already appeared, you see, and then the growing position of these plants will be stopped. So what you have to do, you have to pinch off the bud here with the help of your nail. Just pinch off the early buds from these plants, and as a result new branches will come out, and the plants will grow. It's a vegetative growth, and plants will attain its heights. And what another things I am telling you, sometimes the soil mixture is very important. The soil mixture should be 80 to 90% garden soil and a 10 to 20% compost. If it is a garden compost, cow dung compost or vermicompost, any kind of compost you mix it, and don't add much of the nitrogenous fertilizer. If you add much of the nitrogenous fertilizer, what will happen, they will grow huge growth of the stems, and the stems at the top position, there will be fattening of the top position, and they will forget to bear all the buds and flowers. So what happens, you have to low caloric and low nutrient soil you have to prepare, and just mix it properly. And I tell you how to transplant it. Whenever you are taking the plants from 2 inch pot, you have to transplant 3 or 4 inch pot. That should be ideal for second transplantation. And see how I am transplanting the plant here. And after transplanting this plant, keep it in semi-shade area for 3 to 4 days, and after 4 days keep it in full sunlight, and after 15 days you have to transplant in 5 inch or 6 inch or 7 inch pot, whatever the suitable for you, or the final potting you can use. And I am telling you how to grow it very fast. Now I come to the main point, that if your plants are not taking growth in any form, so what you can do, so very fast growth of plants, for the rocket speed growth, you have to take two items I am telling you. First thing is urea, and second thing is magnesium sulfate or Epsom salt. Take around 500 ml of water, any kind of plain water you take, and mix around 1 to 1.5 gram of urea. Urea is a very common agricultural fertilizer. You can use this, is very rich in nitrogen. Though it is rich in nitrogen, first time you have to apply it. And here 1 to 1.5 gram of urea. These are slightly granular in structure. And another is Epsom salt. This looks like sugar. So around 1 to 1.5 gram of Epsom salt. This is magnesium sulfate. Add here, mix it with this water, and apply it once in a 5 days. So you have to apply 3 times in a 5 days gap each. So just after mixing it, shake it well, and it will dissolve in around 2 to 3 minutes. All the granules will dissolve. And after making the solution, apply on the soil application. Here you see how I am applying it, and in every 5 days you have to apply. Here are the some pores, and you can use it here. And just see how I am applying in soil application. This is soil drenching you have to apply. Instead of using water, applying plain water, you apply today, and don't apply any water in this day. And after 5 days gap you again apply it, and then after 5 days gap apply it, and within 10 days you will see severe growth in your plant. And the small plant, these kinds of around 6 to 7 inch height, you can attain in 10 to 15 days only. You can attain these kinds of, then you stop this application fertilizer. So these are all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the garden tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.